Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Toyko Scar H. This come back in a broken gearbox. We investigated and we found that a spring was weak on the blowback system. So we've replaced the spring and we've replaced the gearbox shell. So we're looking into potentially doing 2 new springs as a new products so that people can obviously buy them and fit those, maybe save damage going forward, obviously, of a new gearbox shell. So we're looking into that long term, but obviously in the short term this one's fixed and going again. We're pretty sure that that's why that allows the recoil weight to go so far off the back, that it gets metal on metal, which same goes when people lose that spring as well. You get the same result. You've got no emergency buffer spring to prevent the recoil weight hitting the back of the gearbox, and therefore obviously make sure that both of those springs are intact and in good condition if you're coming on the thing. And like I say, we're obviously going forward. We're going to be looking for that, on Scars. Obviously, it's just have to sort of start putting it into the servicing for both us and for everybody else, I guess, to prevent those things from breaking. Not really something you look for. Is obviously you can make sure that obviously it's there because we obviously do that, but but now we're having to check the strength of it, because obviously somebody had obviously put a different one in there, and made the assumption that it was in perfectly good condition because it was thing. So we're going to look into that as like I say, a new product, and then we'll probably just have them just installed as part of servicing, if long term, especially as we're starting to get to 8 and 9 years old on some of these guns now. So obviously it's never a bad thing, replenishing springs with new ones. So over time, but otherwise it's a DMR build, and we're just going to sort of demonstrate it working. So hopefully the audio is fixed on this, because everyone keeps phoning me up to say that my audio is broken. I've got a microphone somewhere, I can't remember where I've put them, so I'll try and dig them out. So. There we go. Obviously we increased the FPS as well, so that's brought up now to 303 on 0.43s, with the limit being 307 for 4.3s. So yeah, that's pretty good up there. We don't have 4.8s to test with, unfortunately, so and also that's the biggest spring I believe that we've got, so pretty much about max for that particular gun, without trying to use spaces or something like that to get some more. So so yeah, hopefully that's all good, and hope you enjoy. Thank you.